Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Luisa. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're keeping busy, making lots of jewelry pieces. I know I've been keeping myself busy working on bag and bead box. And by the way, I don't know what to think about bag and bead box for April. I love the gemstones. I think the gemstones are beautiful, but all the other items that came in the box, I'm not sure about them. I know I don't like the big jasper pendant because of the bezel that it came in, because the bezel had some pieces, some metal pieces that reminded me of straps, like the straps on a saddle. It's kind of hard to explain. I guess they were too thick or something, not very feminine. The bead caps were too big, the chain was too small, that metal component, that round component was one-sided. So I'm not sure. I'm still trying to get inspiration. I'm still working on it. I know I'm going to come up with something beautiful. It's just going to take me a little bit longer than usual. But I will hold back before I publish any videos on finished pieces because I don't want to influence anybody's creativity, because I know I'm the same way. So I'm going to wait a little bit. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to be honest with you and share my feelings about it. But I'm not here to talk about bag and bead box. I'm here to open up the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box. Now, before we do, let's go check out the website. Alright, so before I open up the box, I wanted to show you the website really quickly. Here it is, potomacbeads.com, and if you tap on where it says subscription boxes, and then over here on the left, it'll take you to the page where they'll give you the information on the two boxes that they offer. And as you can see, they have two boxes, the Best Bead Box and the Best Bead Box XL. And the difference between the two is that the XL is twice as big. So the Best Bead Box is a really good deal because it comes with one paper project and all the supplies that you need to make that project. It also comes with additional beads and findings, and then a link to the free tutorials online. So it's a pretty good deal. It's $19.99 per month if you sign up for the annual plan. They do have 6-month plans and 3-month plans and a monthly plan, but if you sign up for the 12-month plan, it'll be the lower rate of $19.99 per month plus the free shipping in the USA. And the XL, like I said earlier, is twice as big, so it has two paper projects and all the supplies that you need to make those projects, in addition to some other beads, additional beads and findings. And again, both of these, you can actually search on YouTube, and Potomac Beads does a really great job of offering free video tutorials for the projects that come in these boxes. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this away, and I'll bring the box out and I'll be right back. I forgot to mention that the Best Bead Box XL is actually $35.99 per month, and just like the other one, it has 6-month plans, 3-month plans, and 1-month plans as well, monthly plans. And of course the 12-month plan is the most economical, and it comes with free shipping as well. Alright, let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. Okay, let's see what we got. Here's the box, Potomac Beads, and I love this box, by the way. This box is just awesome. I use these all the time to store all kinds of things. Let me just show you. Here are a couple of them. I've got crimp beads in this one. I've got crimp covers in this one. They're excellent for storing small items that you use on a regular basis. Jump rings, head pins, eye pins. But what I like about this box is this beautiful magnetic closure. I love this. The name of the box is called Afternoon Tea. Dappled sun kisses a lace-swathed table laden with dainty sandwiches and colorful cakes. The lilacs and English roses bloom in explosions of purples and pinks. Fine china clinks and delighted laughter twinkles through the garden. Brew your favorite chamomile, oolong, and pekoe tea and relax with this month's afternoon tea subscription box. Oh my gosh, I don't know who writes these, but I just love the way they write these descriptions. and it just gives you such visuals. It takes you away and it transports you into a different place and time. They're just wonderfully written. I love it. Okay, let's have a look at the contents. Okay, so here are the contents. And we have tea time bracelet pattern, and these are all the contents for that. And then the rest of the collection right here. Okay, and here is the project tea time bracelet. And here are all the materials you're going to need for the project. And then inside of this, the instructions. Okay, and the name of the artist is Anna Taylor. Okay, let me go ahead and pull these out and I'll be right back. All right, so here are the contents, and this was a recent change, you know, where Potomac Beads is actually separating the project materials from the rest of the materials, which I really, really appreciate. And these are the project materials, so let's go ahead and go through that first. So here are the contents for the project. The first bag over here is a bag of Iris Giros, and the color is white teal luster, and there are 4 grams. Let me bring them up closer so you can see. Very pretty color. It says that they're white teal, but to me they look kind of minty, like a mint color. The next item is a bag of 15 seed beads, Miyuki seed beads in a matte opal seafoam color. 4 grams. I'm not going to pull them out because I don't want them all over the place, but you can kind of see what color they are. Very pretty. Okay, and they also gave us another 4 gram bag of 11 seed beads, and this is a dusty mauve salon, I think that's how you pronounce it, color. Semi-transparent. Miyuki. And then they also gave us some crystal buttons, 2 of them, and each one has 4 holes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very sparkly, very pretty. So this is what's going to go on that bracelet, and I cannot wait to make that bracelet. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the rest of the items. Here are the rest of the items. I'm going to go through each one, not in any particular order. I'll just grab one bag at a time and we'll take a closer look. Alright, so the first bag is a 7 gram bag of check daggers, and they're 5 by 16 millimeters in dimension. Let me pull them out. And they're very, very pretty because I'm seeing greens, I'm seeing purples, I'm seeing very pale shades of amber. So I'm not sure what color these are because the description doesn't say, but it's definitely, you know, multicolored, very transparent, as you can see. And I just love these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Very, very earthy kind of colors. Because it's purple, but it's kind of a earthy kind of a purple. It's hard to explain. It's not bright purple or deep purple. Very pale kind of colors. All right, so we have 2 3-strand connectors. As you can see, it's a silver tone. And yeah, I love connectors. I love multi-strand connectors because you know me, I like my statement necklaces, and these are excellent for multi-strand because it just helps, you know, to prevent them from getting tangled up. So I like to use connectors whenever possible. I've made multi-strand necklaces just with jump rings in the past, but multi-strand connectors are definitely the way to go. All right, and here's a bag of drop giros, and it's 6 grams, and the color is white lilac gold luster, and these are so pretty. It's hard to see on camera, but they are just absolutely gorgeous because they're a very pale lilac, and you can definitely see the gold luster on them. They're just so pretty, and they go so well with these daggers. Very soft pale colors. I love these. And of course these are 2-hole beads. Here's a close-up of them. So they're 2-hole beads, but they're shaped like a little drop, so that's why they're called drop duos. All right, let's move on. We have a couple of fancy ear wires. Let me pull them out. Interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. They're definitely dimensional, so each one has like little round pieces on the surface. Very interesting. I love these. And here's a very cute little pewter charm, and it's a kettle. And how cute is that? Absolutely adorable. There's the front. Now it is one-sided, but that's okay. It's adorable. A very large pewter toggle. Let me take it out so we can look at it. Here it is. Very fancy, and even though it's large, it's delicate looking. That's actually pretty long. I've never seen a toggle bar that long, but that makes it more secure. Very pretty. Here are a couple of 18mm cabochons, and they're 2-hole cabochons in a transparent or semi-transparent teal color. So they're slightly domed, as you can see, and definitely a frosted finish. Very pretty. And we have 4 cat face beads, and you know how I love cats. I'm a cat lover, so these are right up my alley. I'm definitely going to use these in some kind of a design. They would make cute earrings for sure. There's the front, and there's the back. So they're two-sided, and the hole runs right through the center, right from top to bottom. The color is kind of a blackish kind of a color, glossy. It's interesting that they included cat face beads along with this afternoon tea bead box, because yes, I would say that cats do go well with afternoon tea and dainty sandwiches and colorful cakes and lilacs and English roses. Definitely, you need a kitty cat when you have all of those other things. Okay, so we have a couple of beautiful crystal links, faceted, and it says plated in the description. So they're gold plated, and it's that beautiful soft gold color. It's not that bright yellow color. And I just love these. These are two-sided, and oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. These would look absolutely beautiful in a bracelet, or even a necklace, or even a pair of earrings. They're pretty versatile. You could use them pretty much for anything. They're so beautiful. But what I like about these is the gold tone. The gold tone is just perfect. It's not too yellow, not too pale, just right. And here's a bag of Nibbit beads, and it's 5 grams, and the color is Aztec gold. Now it's cut off there. It says bronze PA, so I'm not sure what the PA stands for. I guess I could have looked it up on their website. Sometimes they don't have them on the website. You know, some of the items that come with the best bead box are not available on the website. But it's like a pale gold, and definitely a matte finish or a semi-matte. Very pretty beads, and these are 2-hole beads, as you can see. I love these. Okay, so that's it. These are the contents for the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box for May, and I absolutely love these. They're so beautiful. I love the colors, the beautiful lilac and the minty colors, pale teal colors, and this beautiful gold. So anyway, guys, I'm real excited about this box. I can't wait to get into it and see what I can come up with, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.